Aaliy ditjau, taali gyau, zowau korhos, lyautu lyau. Ali oiled her head with ghee and the lice licked it all up. This proverb is used to talk about money in the hands of a worthless person. Aaliy ditjau, taali gyau, zowau korhos, lyautu lyau. Aaliy draas taali logum tsel. In the moment of birth, my head was squeezed. This proverb is used to denote that a man commences his struggles as soon as he is born. Aaliy draas taali logum tsel. Alle rovine te wangen kadding, to sow pumpkins and reap eggplants. This proverb is used as to talk about a situation when a person starts a job but does not finish it. Alle rovine te wangen kadding. Allan chhu phal te nindan chhu daanih. There is fruit to the plough and rice for the raking. This phrase is used to say that thrift brings its own reward. Allan chhu phal te nindan chhu daanih. Aki waqt pran kuj to bei waqt pran dal. At one point, onion plant, and at another time, the skin of onion. This proverb is used to talk about good and bad times. Aki waqt pran kuj to bei waqt pran dal.